Promise. Me come me to you. And he said me can't nature chini musa. Mr. So when we are me cost of the same minima de
Ah, kwa na twetwe
a chini musa.
When you sure say be a engine break it down.
Minim dear hello, minim fault.
It can be engine fault.
Oh yes, sure.
Or maybe the accelerator is not working well. Or it can be the fuel pump. Yeah, fuel pump and it can cause that problem.
I don't a mechanic.
Yeah, I'm a professional mechanic.
Yeah,
I'm a fuel pump mechanic.
Sir.
When the petrol cannot surrogate inside the engine, when the petrol cannot surrogate into the engine, it causes that problem.
I funny.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Wait a Mr. Boamina mentioned
One problem is that I don't have my tools here, but let me see. Do you have a screwdriver? Okay. Do you have a... What? No. This is not a screwdriver. Okay. I'm talking about this. Yes.
But this is not a screwdriver. Your friend is sir.
Hey, this.
Oh, you're sure so you're a mechanic.
Oh, yeah, I'm a mechanic.
Okay, what am I your money?
Let me see. The pump. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, wait for me. I'm coming.
Now, bro, I have to check here.
No, the fuel pump. Maybe the fuel pump. I'm checking the fuel pump. Hold it for me. Hold it. I'm coming.
No, Brian, let's tie you.
No, I'm coming. The fuel pump. I'm coming. You wait. Relax.
So should I hold it?
Yeah, you just hold it. Hold it perfect. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I mean the fuel pump. I'm coming. Don't worry. You just don't worry. I'm coming. I will solve that issue. I will solve the problem once and for all for you. Don't worry.
If you can't do it, let me call my mechanic. Please.
Your mechanic?
Yeah.
No, I'm a professional mechanic. This is what I'm doing. I'm doing from book. From book. You wait.
Can't you cheat him? What will you tie? Now, bro.
You just wait. Well condition, does it work? Your condition?
Yeah.
Does it work?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. I think you don't have engine oil. The engine oil can cause the problem. Engine oil.
Let's near Jamie.
Let me check the engine oil first.
I'm a penny some more. When you saw to me, I'm a mechanic.
Oh, don't worry. As far as you are a beautiful lady, I swear my mother, I will help you. I will do anything for you. Eh? You are beautiful. By the way, what's your name?
I'm Amma.
Amma what?
Amma, you just...
Okay, Amma. Hey. Wow. Amma, there is a problem.
What problem?
The wagon is not working.
Can you say money to
Yes, the wagon is not working.
Can you do something about it for me?
Yeah, the wagon is... When the wagon is not working well, it can make the car stop.
Okay, then please do it for me.
Yes, I'm doing it. I'll try and fix it for you.
Then be hurry.
I'm hurry. The reason is... the reason is... These cars have a big problem. Yes, it's called a SUNUTU problem. Do you know a SUNUTU problem?
No.
A SUNUTU is the process whereby the ant wire and the earth wire cannot be in touch.
Really?
Yes, really. The wagon will work very soon.
Then please do it.
Yes,
for me.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Hurry.
Yeah, I'm hurry. The wagon. The wagon. Sister, I mean to me.
Ah, this is who not meeting is on.
My waste too time. Bye bye. Next stop, you be here.
We have full power. What's in Cesar so soon?
My home will be here.
We have full. We have full. Come, what's it? When you
2 brother goes on here.
You know, me don't want to sell even cranny. And away. Let me say, the ain't for pana. Many are quite repair car, yes, and I'm a community. I'm very ashamed with you. Ah, Natina, you know, when there's some picture.